Everyone thinks the best-selling window air conditioners are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Frigidaire 5000 BTU. First up is the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window air conditioner. Priced at $194.99, it caught my attention with its quiet operation and energy-saving features. If you want a reliable AC for a small room, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It cools spaces up to 150 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms. The customizable cooling with 3 fan speeds lets you set the mood just right, while the Eco mode helps save on your energy bill. Operating at just 52 dBA, it's notably quiet, ensuring you won't be disturbed while sleeping. Plus, with a clean filter alert, maintenance is a breeze, and that's crucial for keeping the unit efficient. Now, some people complained about the limited cooling capacity. Here's the thing though, if you're looking to cool down larger spaces, this might not cut it, but for small bedrooms, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and efficient AC for a small room. Skip this one if you have a larger area to cool. It offers great value for money, especially if you're on a budget. Now, if the smaller capacity of the Frigidaire 5000 BTU bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more power. Product number 2, Frigidaire 10,000 BTU. Next, we have the Frigidaire 10,000 BTU window air conditioner. At $310, this unit is designed to handle much larger spaces, cooling up to 450 square feet if you want more power without sacrificing features. This one's definitely worth a look. This model still keeps the quiet operation at around 53 dBA, and it features multiple fan speeds for customizable comfort. Its Eco mode helps you save even more on energy, and it has a 24-hour timer, which is super convenient. All these features mean you can set it up to turn on right before you get home from work and walk into a cool haven. But here's the twist. Some users found the installation a bit tricky. I get that. If you're not handy with tools, this might feel like a hassle. But for most, it's a manageable task, especially with the right tools. This is perfect for you if you need powerful cooling for a larger living area. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's super easy to install without any fuss. It's a solid investment considering the power it provides for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want efficiency without losing cooling power. Product number 3, Frigidaire 6000 BTU. The Frigidaire 6000 BTU window air conditioner comes in at $176.99 and is a great middle ground option. It cools up to 250 square feet and has a quiet operation at 52 dBA, which is a steal for the price. If you want versatility, this model is worth considering. What sets this one apart is its energy efficiency. With an annual consumption of just 409 kilowatt hours, you're looking at a unit that won't break the bank on utility bills. The 3 fan speeds mean you can adjust to your preference, and the dry mode is perfect for humid days, pulling moisture out of the air. And who doesn't appreciate a unit that alerts you when it's time to clean the filter? Now, some reviewers mentioned that it didn't cool as fast as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and allow it to run a bit, you'll still get that refreshing coolness without the noise. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable unit for a medium-sized room that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you need rapid cooling in larger areas. It's a solid choice for the price point. Now, if you want a more compact option, let's check out the next one. Product number 4, LG 5000 BTU. Next up is the LG 5000 BTU window air conditioner, priced at $168.90. This unit is ultra quiet and compact, making it an excellent choice for those who need a small but powerful AC for tight spaces. It cools rooms up to 150 square feet with a sound level as low as 50 dBA, so you can hardly tell it's there. The easy mechanical controls make it user-friendly, and the washable filter is a nice touch that helps keep the air clean. Plus, installation is straightforward with the included kit. However, some users have pointed out that the cooling can be inconsistent. I'll be real with you. If you're in a particularly hot climate, you might need to give it some time to catch up, but for most, it should get the job done nicely. This is perfect for you if you want an easy install, quiet AC for small rooms. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger areas quickly. It's a fantastic value for those looking for simplicity. Now, if you're curious about something a bit more feature-packed, let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, Frigidaire 5000 BTU, newer model. Finally, we have the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window-mounted air conditioner, which can be yours for $163.56. This newer model has received plenty of rave reviews with a solid 4.4-star rating from over 17,500 users. If you're looking for something reliable and efficient, this one deserves your attention. This unit also cools up to 150 square feet and features easy temperature control with 2 fan speeds. Operating at a whisper-quiet 52 dBA, it's perfect for bedrooms. The auto restart feature is a lifesaver during power outages as it remembers your settings. Plus, the adjustable side panels help with a perfect fit in your window. However, some users noted that the installation instructions weren't as clear as they hoped. Here's the thing. If you're somewhat handy, you'll be fine. But if you prefer detailed guidance, it could be a bit tricky at first. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable AC with hassle-free operation and great reviews. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY installations. For the price, it's a great investment for long-term comfort. So, to wrap up, we covered 5 great options. The smaller yet efficient Frigidaire 5000 BTU, the powerful Frigidaire 10,000 BTU, the versatile Frigidaire 6000 BTU, the compact LG 5000 BTU, and the newer Frigidaire model. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but there's something here for everyone. Choose based on your space and needs, and you won't be disappointed.